Hello and welcome to Southern Flavors of Healthy Recipes powered by Philips. I just love food from the south of India, and one of the things that I really love is the vada. There are so many forms to it. One of those forms is the onion vada. That is something that I cannot live without whenever I travel down south. What we're going to do is we're going to take that onion vada or the uligaredu vada, if I pronounced it right, and give it a healthy twist. Now, the flavors and the taste is going to be right where you want it, but the oil is going to get reduced by 90%. How's that? So what we're going to do is we're going to make a paste. And for the paste, we will take coconut, freshly grated, onions, ginger, green chilies, cumin, garlic, salt, curry leaf. It cannot be complete without curry leaf. Now it's time to blend. To this, we will add some hand-torn curry leaf, urad dal, which has been soaked and made into a paste. And the whole point of an onion vada is the onion. And here I have par-boiled rice flour of half-cooked rice, a little bit of sugar, that's a personal choice, touch of salt, a little bit of lentil flour, so what I like about this recipe is that you don't need to spend so much time in preparing the recipe, and you don't need to spend so much time looking after whether it is done or not, because you just put it in the Philips air fryer and you're all sorted. You can leave this mixture outside for 15 minutes for the flavors to really come through, or you could just pop it in the air fryer. So we have preheated the air fryer at 200 degrees. Before we put it to air fry, let's put some spring onions. Let us take a little bit of oil. So let us apply some oil on our hands. And we will make two vadas which are just flat. Let's brush a little oil. Nice. You can taste the onion, the curry leaf, the coconut, and the best part is the burst in your mouth that slice of onion gives you. Outstanding. What is life without a little spice, right? For more such spicy recipes from the south of India, all you have to do is you have to go to healthyrecipe.co.in, and a lot of healthy, tasty, convenient recipes are waiting for you. Don't wait. Go to healthyrecipe.co.in. I gotta go. Take care.